I'm going to show you how to make faceless AI story videos with just 5 clicks. Today we're going to be looking at a new tool that has tons of AI tools and creation tools as well. For long video files, so taking one long video and creating lots and lots of shorts for you. It creates AI images, it creates AI scripts, and it will also put caption generators on your video, so it'll go ahead and burn in those nice social media captions that everyone loves to see when they're just scrolling and they don't really listen to the video a lot. Right here, we're going to go ahead and create faceless AI story videos. Now in this one, they actually have 2 different types of AI. Your prompt, your template, any custom items. You describe your videos. You'll go ahead and choose the style, who you want in there, and the storyboard, and some script in there with the hook and the CTA. All right, so we have our hook in here. We have our call to action, and we have our script as well. And it shows how many characters that we've used, 958, and it says approximately 1,000 characters per minute of video. So let's go ahead and hit next. All right, and then we can go ahead and select the type of style that we want. Now you'll see here at the top, you can select what type of video you want to do, 9:16. So it has all of the different shorts formats. You got the 1:1 for Instagram, and then you have the 16:9 for YouTube style videos. So we're going to go ahead and select the short style video. On this one, we're going to go ahead and create a manga style, and we'll hit next. We're going to see which kinds of subtitles we would like on the video. We're going to go ahead and select this first one and hit next. Then we can go ahead and select the voice that we want, and it'll show you a brief description of what it is. It'll tell you it's female, young, English, right here, male, middle-aged, English, and it shows you which voices and the platforms they work best on. So this one says YouTube, this one says TikTok, and you'll see that it actually has multiple different languages. So we have Hindi, we have French, Spanish, Korean, German. And here at the top, you can actually sort by what you would like. So male or female, we can go with age, we can go with the language, or you can search for a specific type of voice. So we're going to select this one here, and then we say generate video. And so it says here that you can actually go on to create the next video. You can go ahead and leave this page and it will actually export it to your projects when you are done. Quick and easy as that. 6 clicks and we're going to create our video. So this is the second way to be able to make the AI story videos. And remember, this one here creates the script, does the style, the cast, and the storyboard. So let's go ahead and paste what we need. I need a short video for how to treat whatever I want to treat, and then have a call to action at the end. So let's go ahead and generate the script. So this should only take a couple of seconds to go ahead and generate. And you'll see here it has description of the shot that it's going to create, and then it has the script to go along with it. All right, you can go ahead and change or edit anything in here that you want. And then after we approve this, then we just go ahead and click next step. It's going to allow us to choose the style. So we're going to go ahead and select this one here. And right here, it breaks down how it's going to go ahead and do it. So it's going to use the 11 Labs voice. It's going to use Nano Banana to create the images and how many credits it's going to use. So we're going to say confirm. So here it gives us the ability to go ahead and select our narrator and our person. So let's go ahead and here. So we have 2 voices here. And if we want to go ahead and change that voice, then we can go ahead and select the one that we want. And then we say next step. And it's going to go ahead and create the voice with the voice synthesis. It's going to create the images. It's going to create the material. So you'll see that it's all generating at the same time. You can go back to home if you want. And once again, once it's completed, it will be in my project folder. So 5 clicks and we generate a faceless AI story video.
Commonly known as athlete's foot, is a fungal infection. It often causes
And you can see, we see the video here.
between the toes and on the soles of the feet. Keeping your feet clean and dry is crucial. Wear breathable socks and change them regularly. Allow your feet to air out whenever possible, and use antifungal powders or sprays to help manage moisture. For persistent cases, over-the-counter antifungal creams can be very effective. However, there are natural oils that can help knock out athlete's foot fungus naturally. If you want all 10 in one bottle, check it out at mustbenatural.com.
Love it. 5 clicks, video ready to go. So now it's going to go ahead and generate the video and throw it in my projects. Quick, simple, and easy. You can quickly churn out videos that are going to be able to get your message across with 5 clicks and a couple of seconds. Click the link below to start making Faceless AI story videos today.